particular company. Landmark Cars is in focus after it tied up with M&M to open a new dealership in Howrah, West Bengal. The company had also reported a weak set of first quarter numbers due to the unavailability of fast-selling models. We have with us Sanjay Thakkar, who is the promoter and the executive chairman of the company, who is joining in to discuss all this and more and the outlook for the business going ahead. Mr. Sanjay, hi, welcome to the show. Well, first, I wanted to start by asking you about M&M vehicles which have been added into your offerings. What would this mean in terms of business for you all?
Yeah, so let me, good morning to you. Thanks for having me on the show. The alliance with Mahindra and Mahindra of Landmark, it fits like a glove in our strategy. What Landmark is focused on is premium vehicles and mainly SUVs and companies who are likely to win in the EV race. Now, Mahindra and Mahindra ticks each and every box. Also, if you were to look at the current year numbers, Mahindra and Mahindra is by far the fastest growing company in India, having grown at 32% this year, when the industry itself is growing at a single digit. The strategy of Landmark also is to go deep with a manufacturer as well as go deep in a geography. So Landmark has been present in the state of West Bengal and Kolkata, but that was the only dealership that we had was of Mercedes-Benz. So with the addition of Howrah, we are going deep in a geography, and God willing, we will go deep with Mahindra and Mahindra going ahead.
Okay, all right. Hi, Sanjay. Congratulations on this tie-up. Well, you seem to be announcing these sort of deals, and the stock market just loves it. In Friday's trading session, just on this, the stock market is flying away. Well, that's just an observation. But you're obviously focusing on business, which is most important. So let's find out a couple of aspects. Now, this tie-up with Mahindra and Mahindra, how many showrooms do you all intend to, open? What is the scaling up plan?
Yeah, so to begin with, we are starting with 2 showrooms and 1 workshop in the Howrah region. That's the beginning, and that's the alloy that we have gotten for. Now, this would add approximately on a full year around 150 crores plus of turnover to our business. But this should be a beginning of a journey with Mahindra and Mahindra.
Okay. Your Q1 numbers were impacted quite significantly. Tell us, is Q2 looking better? Has the situation normalized for you all in terms of availability of models?
Yeah, I had mentioned, and thanks for pointing it out. What had happened is that, as you know, we are the largest partners for Mercedes-Benz, Honda, BYD, Jeep, and so on and so forth. Each one had one or the other issues. Now, we have had the launch of the Mercedes GLC, and the availability of vehicles has significantly improved from last month. The Honda Elevate, which is the much awaited SUV of Honda, the deliveries of that have started this month. And I believe it's been reported already that it's sold out for 5 months or so. That's the report I saw for all India. Now, we are also seeing a similar kind of traction. The goods of BYD are also in our showrooms, which we have started to deliver. MG Motors, which from August onwards, we started our operations in Madhya Pradesh, will also start contributing to meaningfully in our journey. And next quarter, we should have Mahindra numbers also kicking in. So the normalization has happened from kind of September or mid-August, and we should see benefits of that.
Interesting. Sanjay, Jeep, there were some hiccups in the past quarter. Things have improved from there on, point number 1. Point number 2, the Honda Elevate, as you said, the response has been very good. Can you quantify it in terms of numbers for your business?
What has been reported is what I can tell you as far as Honda is concerned. Honda, the reports are that there is a 5-month that has of bookings that the company has already received. We are the largest partners for Honda with just under 6% of their all India sales. So this is, one can do the back math and see it will be based on the availability and the supplies for the next 3-4 months. And coming to Jeep, the 4x2 Jeep, which will, the Compass, will be launched in the next 1 week. And I'm hoping that the volumes will pick up once that model is available say 10 days from now. So that's something which will tick all the boxes, and wherever the lacunas were will get filled.
Okay. Well, Sanjay, the larger picture is that the reason your numbers were impacted was because of supply issues. So give us a sense in terms of how exactly the year is looking when it comes to demand. Because, we have read about how luxury cars are seeing such high demand in the Indian market. You yourself are talking about the lack of availability of certain models. Give us a sense in terms of the larger picture of demand when it comes to, say, the entire fiscal, as well as what you're probably foreseeing going into next year.
Yeah, so the good part is that the demand continues to be strong. I mean, that's the first thing that one should look at. So, and as you see the auto numbers, we have had for the industry all-time high, a number that was reported in the month of August. And I believe that the festive season, which is this year a kind of a longish festive season that we have, which is a very good sign. We have a September, which generally is a big month because of depreciation and Ganesh festivals that come in. We have Dussehra and Navratra, which is in the month of October, and Diwali in the month of November. So not always we have a 3-month kind of a window for festivities. So a lot depends on that. And since we are focusing on premium and luxury cars and not too much on the rural demand,
yes,
I don't think that rainfall and all will have much impact on what we are doing. And on top of it, our after-sales business, which is a consistent 20% CAGR business, that keeps on ticking. Please don't forget that.
Absolutely, not forgetting anything, Sanjay. We appreciate you joining in and filling in with all those details. And a lot of brokerages, they are positive on the premiumization story, and they believe that, in fact, your company is fitting perfectly in there. Thanks so much for joining in and giving us some color in terms of how business is shaping up, and congratulations on this tie-up with the Mahindra & Mahindra Group. For the time being, we slip into a short break. Up next, we'll be joined by the management of Rishabh Instruments. Remember, they just listed.